Welcome everybody. This is my first attempt here to make a YouTube video. I've been watching a lot of people cracking packs, ripping open football, basketball cards, and even Magic cards. I collect a little bit of everything, and I figured why not throw my hat into the ring here? Why not see if I can just bring some happiness and enjoyment to somebody, be able to watch me crack open some packs, hopefully find some good stuff. I mean, I like this Absolute. That's what I have here first. I got a few other boxes back here. I promise I'm not that guy that's buying everything at every store. Some of this was actually purchased off of eBay. These Absolute packs I actually did find at a Walmart. I did get a couple blasters at one Walmart, a couple Donruss boxes at another. Yeah, I mean, I'm out there hunting like you guys every day. Really excited to open these Absolute football packs. These Absolute football packs have the Kaboom cards in them. That's what I really, really want. I know they're difficult to get, like one per case, but here I am. Don't mind it. I think Absolute, it's on the lower end of the spectrum, but I think it's a good product. I like it. So yeah, I'm excited to do this. I'm excited to see what we get. Let's bust open this first pack. So for me, just to get to know me a little bit here, I love football. Watch a lot of football every single Sunday. Red Zone package. Let's go. Definitely a lot of fantasy. I used to collect a lot of basketball cards, and then like a lot of other people just recently, I've been watching so many people open cards, I just kind of sat there and said, you know what, that looks like fun, I want to do it too. So I'm getting back into it, So how ironic that the very first card that I opened up is Michael Thomas, because in my big money league, he was definitely my first round draft choice. Yeah, hopefully that ankle and now that hammy ends up healing up all nice. But hey, we got Michael Thomas for our first Absolute card. Baker Mayfield, I mean, it was a rough year for him. Rough year. Oh, my man. My man Lamar Jackson. I love this guy. He's just so exciting to watch. I know that he's not having as good of a year as last year, but hey, I mean, it's Lamar. Lamar gets his own special pile right here. He's my buddy. We got Saquon. Hopefully he comes back strong from that ACL injury. We got Julian. We got the mustache man himself, Gardner Minshew. Here we go. We got Bobby Wagner, stud linebacker. Hey, I mean, I'm a Michigan guy, so I'm not necessarily a Lions fan. I mean, I'm more a fan of players, but hey, I mean, Matthew Stafford. What can you say? He's kind of like the comeback kid here. I like him, man. He's a little bit older now, but Stephon Diggs, and that Stafford was a green. Stephon Diggs is also a green here. Oh my goodness, the first rookie card I end up getting. I love this guy, Justin Herbert. Wow, that makes me really excited. I mean, it's nothing too crazy special, but it's a Herbert. You got to be excited about it. He goes right here with Lamar. Derrick Henry, just a total beast. I'd managed to get him in a couple leagues, and then right here, T Higgins, that Joe Burrow T Higgins hookup. Who knows what that's going to be like in a few years from now. The rookies will go over there. My man Lamar. Here we go, Zach Moss. Looking good. Oh my gosh, what a pack. Joe Burrow. Very nice. And then Chase Claypool. Are you serious? Are we just going to get... Is Tua going to be in here too? Clevan. Derek Brown. Quintez. Jalen Hurts. Another... Gosh. And then A.J. Dillon. Thought he was going to get a chance last night. A couple nights ago with Aaron Jones being hurt. But he didn't get as much. If anybody wants that, if it ever happens where more than 5 people watch this video, here you go. You can have that code. But I thought Dillon might get a little bit more of an opportunity, but Jamal Williams just kind of ate up everything there. So that was a solid pack. But like I see a lot of people at Walmart going and buying out inventory. I see people there. They don't watch football or basketball. They just literally buy stuff to sell it. And then there's some guys I know that go there that literally do buy it to collect, but they don't like Absolute football. So I'm always happy to end up picking up what they leave. So AJ Green, he's looking a little bit better last couple weeks. Joey Bosa, Kirk Cousins. Sammy Darnold. The Jets are just such a dumpster fire. It's just so frustrating to watch them sometimes. Adam Gase, I mean, he's there. They're paying that man to tank that team. We got DJ Chark. We got Chark Week going on here. We got Chris Carson. Chris just got hurt. Twisted that, foot sprain is what he got. Got Marlon Mack. I love Marlon Mack. It really was hurt when he went down at the beginning of the year with that Achilles injury. Todd Gurley, you know, everybody was saying don't draft Todd Gurley, avoid, avoid, avoid. I definitely took him in my big money league. But big money league, it's you get rewarded with touchdowns. So you know I'm happy with Todd Gurley right now. His yard per average isn't great, but man, those touchdowns. We got AP. Oh, here we go. Got another rookie. Jake Fromm. Boom. Philip Lindsay. We got Derrick Henry, red zone. Oh, we got some more rookies here. We got Quintez. We got Jalen. AJ Dillon. It's like, oh, Jonathan Taylor, another great rookie. Got Cole Kmet. Jacob Eason. Yedder Grossmatos. I don't know if I said that right. I think I was close. Jerry Jeudy. There we go. Some strong rookies here. I'm excited about it. So yeah, so more about me. So collect a lot of basketball cards. Actually, you can't see it right now. It's hiding behind all of this. I've got all my basketball cards out. Drove to my parents' house, hit up the attic, pulled them all out, reminisced going through all of them. And my kid loves Pokemon cards. So she does Pokemon, I do football, and you know, she's actually here hanging out with me. She enjoys cracking packs too. You'll notice I've got some Magic cards back here. This channel is gonna be just about collecting things. I collect a lot of toys, a lot of video games. I do a little bit of Magic. I mean, I love football, love basketball. So I think that what I'm going to do is just going to be a little bit of everything here. So we'll see. We'll see what sticks, what people like, what they don't like. Russ Wilson. So that team that I drafted Michael Thomas on, I also have Russ Wilson. Russ has saved me. Literally. I'm 4-3 right now, and 4th place is a very competitive league. And Russ has saved the day. T.Y. Mr. Mostert, Minka Fitzpatrick. Then we've got Devontae Parker, Fantasy Bigfoot himself, another great rookie. I mean, I think, so he's not having a great year because they've got so many running backs, but J.K. Dobbins, you know, I think in the future, I think, you know, he's more. Oof. Happy to report my first mishap. I was in the middle of talking about J.K. Dobbins, and then literally, my phone just stopped recording. But I'm back. So J.K. Dobbins, I think he's gonna end up being something. I like J.K. Dobbins. Lots and lots of mouths to feed in that offense, though. That's a problem. Got Kyler Murray. Man, what a game last night, taking down the Seahawks. Flashback, Tom Brady. Fun fact, I got to watch Tom Brady when he played for the University of Michigan. It was so much fun. I remember going to Michigan State games watching him play. Cam Akers, will he ever get a chance? Who knows? Same thing with Keyshawn Vaughn. I mean, geez, they've just got so many running backs in Tampa Bay. I don't think Keyshawn Vaughn's going to get to do anything. DJ Dallas. Patrick Queen. Another Jake Fromm. AJ Espinoza. Ben DiNucci. Crazy to think. He is going to be starting for the Dallas Cowboys. Just can't believe it. And then Justin Jefferson. Oh my gosh, and my cat is over here messing with stuff. So fun fact, I've got cats. Oh, and I just knocked the camera. I'm trying to shoo my cat away. My kid's over here trying to shoo him away. He doesn't care. He's a cat. He's just here to cause mayhem. Let's do a little bit more. Go a little bit quicker through some of these. I mean, it's a lot of repeats. We got Bosa. We got Cousins. We got Darnold. Got Matt Ryan. I mean, will the Falcons ever end up doing anything halfway decent this year? Who knows? Just got beat by the Lions. Kenny G. Sweet sounds of Kenny G. Josh Allen. Larry Fitzgerald. Love Larry Fitzgerald. I really want to see him get a Super Bowl before he retires. But here we go. Green Chris Godwin. Oh, my man Tyreek. That league I'm going to refer to a lot. Every time I open up these packs, I got Tyreek. I went Michael Thomas, Tyreek, OBJ. And when I say Russell Wilson has saved me, and now you know why. No more OBJ. Xavier McKinney. Oh, whoops. There we go. Green. Devin Duvernay. Got a Mikey Williams. Quez Watkins. Jake Luton. AJ Terrell. John Hightower. Oh, Noah. I can't pronounce his name. Killing me. Another Dobbins. Another Xavier. Another Jeremy. All right. We're getting through them. If anybody ever, I mean, I'm sure the first 5 views of this video is going to be mom, dad, brother, sister, or you know, my daughter just said me. Maybe she views it 5 times, who knows. Man, I don't know about you guys or anybody out there.
32 subscribers.
I don't know about any of you out there, but man, I just love cracking packs. It's just so much fun. Or ripping packs, I guess it depends on what world you come from. But here's Gronk, coming back to the old Gronk. AJ, Bosa, Cousins, Godwin, Tyreek, Minka. We got a green Kyler. We got a green decaf. I mean, the decaf. Metcalf. I think he's going to be just a total stud. Antonio Gibson. He's having a good year. Even though the Washington football team, and that's still, you can see, it's still got that Redskin symbol up there. You know, can't say that anymore. Golden Tate. Patrick Mahomes, red zone. Total stud. He's the future, obviously. Jonathan Taylor, Cole Kmet. Jacob Eason. Yuder Grossmatos. Jerry Jeudy. CD Lamb. I love CD Lamb. I think he's a great player. KJ Hamler. Denzel Mims. All right, I mean, we're getting some cool cards. Not getting any like major inserts here, but you know, sometimes that's just what happens. You know, Cello packs and you know, a set that you know, a lot of base. Anthony Miller, Mike Gesicki, J.J. Watt, Derek Carr, Deebo Samuel, Aaron Rodgers, Amari Cooper. I mean, all great players, but Darnell Mooney, Aaron Jones, flashback, Adrian Peterson. Man, it's crazy that he's playing for the Lions right now. Just crazy. Christian Fulton. Here, we're going to go through these kind of quickly. Jalen Reagor. Very cool. Jordan Love. You know, don't sleep on Jordan Love. I mean, when Aaron Rodgers is gone, who knows? Who knows? Could he be the next in the line of all these great quarterbacks that Green Bay has been able to have for the last, you know, 20, 25 years? I mean, man. Nothing too crazy to see off the top here. Oh, we got another Lamar. Baker, Gronk, Josh Allen, Zeke. Man, the Cowboys this year. Oof. Marvin Jones, Tre'Davious White, total beast. CJ Mosley, Devontae Adams. Love Devontae Adams. He's just killing it in fantasy and in real football. AJ Epineza, Christian McCaffrey. We'll see what happens when he comes back. Chase Claypool, Jordan Love, Cole McDonald, Laviska Shenault. We got a Zach Moss. Got a Joe Burrow, finally. Finally a Joey Burrow. Chase Claypool, Clevon Chasen, Derek Brown. There we go. All right, we got one more pack to crack here. Come on. Come on, kaboom. It's in here. It's got to be. I feel it. I feel it. I got a couple more absolute packs. I'm not going to crack them open right now, though. But let's see the kaboom. Let's see it. It would make me happy. Kelsey, Miller, Gesicki, Thomas, Minka Fitzpatrick, Parker, Stephen Gilmore. Oh, my man, Dak Prescott. How devastating. I mean, if you're watching this, I'm sure you watched that injury. And, man, I hope he comes back stronger and better. But I'm putting Dak right there. I love Dak. Delvin Cook. Here's another Danucci. There we go. If Dak doesn't come back, maybe he's the next Cowboy great. Kyler Murray. Another Tom Brady. Benjamin. Joe Reed. Chase Young. Christian Fulton. Devin Asiasi. I know I probably said that wrong. Quan Davis. Jalen Reagor. And Albert. Man, no kaboom. But that's all right. We got some pretty solid cards here. I'm pretty happy with what we got. I know some people might be laughing because my stack of cards that I'm happy with compared to my stack of cards that I'm kind of like, oh yeah, filler, is pretty high. I definitely get excited when I see some players that I really like. But hey, this was my first go at this. Definitely lots more to come. Hoping, whoever does watch this, that they enjoy it. Obviously, I'm going to be opening up some more stuff. But, until we meet again, y'all have a good day.